Aloha. Today I want to talk to you about the fastest and the cheapest way to grow a bamboo wall or a bamboo fence. So there's a nice bamboo wall here behind me. Goes about another 60-70 feet that way, another 40 feet that way. And I planted this here about 2.5 years ago, and I didn't actually pay anything for the bamboo, so it cost me pretty much nothing to do. And you can see these are some pretty good sized stalks coming out already. Here's a nice big one down here, and even another little one here just starting to come up. You can see these are like quite thick. So bamboo is a great plant. It creates an amazing wall. It gives you a nice privacy wall. This here is planted on the front of the property. So it's a privacy wall, helps eliminate a little bit of noise, also brings in more songbirds. It's a really, really nice plant, and it grows really fast once it's established. So bamboo can be pretty expensive. If you go to Home Depot, $50 to $200 per plant, little potted plant, they're not that big. So if you were gonna do a wall like this, I would probably plant one every 5 or 10 feet, depending how quick you wanted your wall to fill in. So that could end up costing you $1,000 or $2,000, whereas this cost me pretty much nothing. Alrighty, so the secret to the cheap bamboo wall. You can either go on Craigslist, check around with your neighbors and see who is growing bamboo, find out someone that's growing bamboo, and instead of buying a bamboo plant, just buy the whole pole of bamboo, the whole bamboo shoot, 20, 30, 40 feet tall, however tall they are. You go there, they cut you down a full-length piece of bamboo, however many you need. If they're 20 feet long and you need a 40-foot wall, then you're gonna need a minimum of 2. But I would get double that, so you can lay one in front, one in the back to get a quicker, thicker wall. So you need to find someone that has bamboo, that's selling bamboo, and either purchase bamboo cuttings from them, the whole piece of bamboo, or find a friend, someone that's growing bamboo that's willing to give you the bamboo. These I got from a friend, didn't cost me anything. I just cut down like, I don't know, 8 pieces of bamboo about 30 feet tall and then brought them over here. So once you get the bamboo, you're going to need to prep your area, get it nice and clear, somewhat level where you want to plant your bamboo wall. And then I like to lay down a little bit of mulch. So this is mulch here. It holds a lot of moisture. So I'll lay down 2, 3, 4 inches of mulch down all along where I'm going to plant the bamboo wall. And then I will lay the bamboo flat. So each piece, 20, 30 feet long, you're going to lay it down flat right where you want it to grow up. And I would do one in front, one in back, maybe separate them by a couple feet, 2 to 3 feet, and plant those laying down all the way along wherever you want your wall to be. And then you're going to want to cover them with mulch and dirt and things like that. So I'll put a mulch on top, a little bit of dirt, things like that, and then water everything and keep it moist until the bamboo really starts growing well. And you need to keep it moist. If it's drying out and you're not getting very much water, the bamboo will die before it can root and shoot up new shoots. So you're just going to map out where you want your wall. You're going to get some long pieces of bamboo, and as soon as they're cut, you're going to want to take them to your property and plant them right away. You do not want them drying out, sitting in the sun for a week and then go to try to plant them. They probably won't make it. So you want to go, have them cut down the bamboo fresh, take them home, have the area prepared, and then immediately plant the bamboo. Lay everything down where you want it, cover with mulch, give it a nice water, and then just keep checking it. As long as everything's moist, it's okay. If it starts to dry out, give it another water and keep it moist until you see a lot of bamboo growth. Alrighty, so once you start seeing some shoots coming up and you can see that the bamboo is growing, that's when I'll add a little bit of fertilizer. I don't put fertilizer down first because there's no roots, there's no way really for it to feed, and that could affect the rooting process. So after it's rooted and you start seeing some growth, you see some new shoots coming up, go ahead and put a little fertilizer down. I use chicken manure, so I just have mulch all over the place, then I put chicken manure on top. But if you don't have chicken manure or you don't want to use that, you could use a lawn fertilizer, something with a high nitrogen. Any lawn fertilizer will do because bamboo is a grass. We're over here in the shade. It's Mosquito City. Alrighty, that's how you plant a bamboo wall, the fastest and the cheapest way. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Aloha.